Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. If you're someone who loves freelancing, making money online, or just looking to explore new opportunities, then listen up. I found an amazing platform that can help you turn your passion into profit. It's called Fiverr. What is Fiverr? For those of you who haven't heard of Fiverr yet, it's a fantastic online marketplace where talented freelancers offer their services to people all around the world. From graphic design, writing, programming, to digital marketing, you name it, they've got it. The Fiverr Affiliate Program. Now, here's the exciting part. Fiverr has an incredible affiliate program that lets you earn money by promoting their platform. It's a win-win situation. Not only can you get the services you need from Fiverr's talented freelancers, but you can also make money by sharing Fiverr with others. How IT works? Let me break it down for you. When you join the Fiverr affiliate program through the link in the description below, you'll get a unique referral link. Share this link with your friends, family, social media followers, or anyone interested in freelancing or hiring freelancers. Earnings potential. Now, I know you're wondering, how much can I make? Well, let me tell you, the earning potential is limitless. Every time someone signs up through your referral link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you'll earn a commission. Flexibility and support. One of the best things about the Fiverr affiliate program is its flexibility. You can promote Fiverr in a way that suits your style, whether it's through YouTube videos, blog posts, social media, or even word of mouth. Plus, Fiverr provides excellent support to all its affiliates. Getting started. So, are you ready to start making money with Fiverr? It's super easy. Just click on the link in the description below to sign up for the affiliate program. Remember, the more people you refer, the more money you'll earn. Alright, folks, that's all from me today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting opportunities like this one. Also, if you have any questions or need help, drop them in the comments section. I'm here to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy freelancing and happy earning with Fiverr.